What's up, everybody? This is Raul from AudioMaster in Austin, Texas, and today I'm in a 2021 Jeep Wrangler 392. What does the 392 stand for? Well, that's the motor. I had a customer that said, why would somebody put 392? Is that like an area code or something? No, that is 392 cubic inches. What do we do to this one? Well, we integrated into this factory radio. We did a Helix amplifier, the V8 in particular, and we love using that amplifier. So versatile. 8 channels of DSP amplification and 2 extra channels so you can DSP your subwoofer as well. Why is that important? Because you can get the best possible result. You can correct each speaker individually when you run active like this. You can do time correction. It's just the best way to do it. And lately here, we've been doing nothing but these style of builds. Let me show you guys a little bit of what we're doing. We did the GS60, GS10, another pair of GS60s and GS10s for the front. And let me show you the stage 2 enclosure that we were talking about. This stage 2 is white, all white. We typically don't build white enclosures, but I have to tell my boy Sean was right on this one. It turned out killer. It's a great looking box. Subs are underneath. I don't know if you well, we're not gonna be able to see them, but they're downfire, and we're powering them on a Helix M OneX, so plenty of power for them. We also did an underglow kit. Look at those root beer powder coated wheels. Holy smokes. This thing looks great and sounds great. There's the 392 for the motor. Look at that ram air. That thing is kick-ass. Love this Jeep. Check this out. If you guys like what we're doing, please give us a like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. If you guys want to see a little bit more of the day-to-day stuff going on here at AudioMaster, you can always follow our Instagram or Facebook at AudiomasterATX, and we'll see you on the next one.